Welcome to today's updated Granada Houses video. We're here near the town of Jayena in the province of Granada Andalusia to show you some of the changes that have happened to this wonderful off-grid house. Because this house is completely off-grid, the water supply is by tank and the current owners purchase water from the local town, and the electricity supply is by solar panels. These are all very new and with very high quality batteries. So here we can see there's some gravel been done and it's a really lovely space. So you've got a beautiful area for sitting, looking at that sensational view, eating, just chilling out. So the plot is just under 25,000 square metres and the house is just over 160 square metres. There's extremely high quality double glazing here, all with Persianas, window blinds. The land is pretty much totally planted to olive trees and everything is completely organic here. I'm just going to go down this side of the house so that you can see how beautiful it looks. Absolutely stunning. So now I'll show you some of the changes that have happened inside the property, and we'll just head on in. So over to the left here you can see we've still got the nice stove that you can cook on and also perfect for heating, and the beautiful dining room. There's been a few changes to the colours of the wood here around the door frames. That's all been varnished and stained, so it looks very beautiful. And then we have the kitchen. So as you can see, looks really, really lovely. Just come through here. This is your ground floor bedroom, always useful for guests. And then just in here is the solar system, the batteries, and as you can see, a little bit of additional storage. And then coming through to the large bathroom, you can see that the water is via electric hot water tank. Good shower. There's insulation in all of the floors, walls and ceilings. So this is a wonderful house in the winter in terms of it stays very, very warm, and in the summer it keeps nice and cool. So let's head up. Just on the right here is one of the bedrooms, and up here we have a little bit of loft storage. Can't quite see, but when you come you'll be able to have a look up there, and then obviously stunning views. So the loft storage is about halfway across, and then it does get a bit low down there, so you'll be using half of the roof space. Here's your final bedroom, and then we go through to the wonderful sitting room. So every window here is like having your own artwork. You can see all these amazing views. This is a very large and comfortable room. So don't forget to follow us on our YouTube channel. Click like and share, leave comments in the section below. And if you would like a viewing, you can also request that in the comments section. So now we've got a really good view here of the new terrace. And of course, your spectacular views. This is a perfect house for living in Spain. If you don't want to be in the town, but you want to be fairly close to a town, this is absolutely ideal. It isn't remote, it's easy access, the track is very, very good, and most of the access is via an asphalted road. So do come and see this property to really appreciate how beautiful it is, how homely it feels, and to see yourself sat here on the sofa enjoying your incredible views. So we very much look forward to showing you this amazing house. Thank you for watching.